Want to know how to power down and restart your iPhone? We'll show you the quick and easy way, whether you got a new model with Face ID or classic with the home button. Stick around till the end to master this essential iPhone skill. Turning off your iPhone with Face ID. If your iPhone unlocks with Face ID, it's a simple 2-button move. Press and hold both the side button and either the volume up or volume down button at the same time. Keep holding until you see the slide to power off button. Then just drag the slider to the right and your iPhone will shut down. So for iPhones with a home button, it's even simpler. Just press and hold the side button. Keep holding until you see the slide to power off slider pop up. Go ahead and drag the slider to the right to power off your device. No matter which iPhone model you have, powering it back on is the same for everyone. Press and hold the side button again. Keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and your iPhone will start right up. Don't stop here. Unlock the full potential of your iPhone and activate iMessage. Check out our full guide to get you all set up.